Tank. You happy, Tank? What up, man? Chill. Gotta grab some fittings. What we need.
Some for the mechanical secondary and also the electrical secondary. Yes, sir.
Trying to buy a damn hoodie. So
The flexible ones?
Why? Some people start coming to you. That's the way you gotta do it.
Does that mean you have to do a good job now?
Huh?
Does that mean you have to do a good job?
Nah, it's kind of like you do normal. It's always good.
Yeah, pretty much.
Appreciate it. Hell yeah. Hook me up. You know. Take care of me. Signature cuts. Come get your cut if you need it. It's my boy Tanner. First time on the channel. Been cutting my hair for 8 years and ain't been on the channel once. Honest to God.
That's a good point.
Yeah. I'm saying I haven't been taking it serious as I do now. So. But hell yeah, I appreciate it for real. I'm gonna get up out of here. Thanks, man.
You got your hat.
Yeah, it's in my pocket. All right, bro.
Later, man.
Thank you. All right, man. I see you.
Dude.
Yeah, I will.
You in the gym tonight or what?
Going to, yeah.
Nice.
Got to.
I might see you there.
All right.
Maybe.
All right. Well, like I said, signature cuts. Come get your hair cut. Hook me up today. So let me find where Paige is at. Shoot, my rod. Back here to show you all the progress that we got done on the Honda yesterday. I didn't record none of it because I was like kind of tired and the camera was almost dead. So I was like, forget it, I'll just do it. So we got the subframe in the car. We had to cut, there's like a little bracket that goes right here. It'll be poking off with 2 little studs on it. Had to cut that off because it wouldn't fit if you left that there. So we had to cut that off. I reused all the old hardware from the other one, except these bolts are different. So make sure you keep these, and these are different. But everything else fit in the car perfect. So we got that mounted up. We also got the fuel lines ran majority, not really all the way, but we have them at least ran on the car. And I started to drill out the holes. Need to go get a shop vac to clean most of this out, but I drilled the hole for the exit for the fuel pump and then the return line, and then we're gonna I need a bigger step drill bit so we can drill 2 holes for the diff, and then we're gonna just put rubber grommets on all 4. It should be 4 holes. All 4 of the holes are gonna have rubber grommets on it, but we do have everything for the fuel system. It's all about just putting it together now. Angel let me borrow his AN wrenches so we can get it done. I got a guy that wants this transmission, so we actually got to get that. I think the next thing that we're going to do is possibly throw the motor back into the car. I think this time it's perfect where the motor can go back in. I do have to redo my my oil return for my turbo. I took it off because it was like had a little weird bend into it, so I want to redo that. That's actually sitting in my car. I'm gonna do that, probably redo that tomorrow. But it is time for the motor to go back into the car. We have to just mount up this transmission onto the motor, drop everything in, bolt everything up, and now we're going to get a measurement from the transfer case on the transmission to the rear diff. I took the rear diff back out again so we can possibly get stronger and longer bolts for that. And I did do some cutting underneath the car. Let me show you. Let me get most of this stuff out the way. We did some cutting underneath the car to the diff, where the diff sits. Let's see if we get under here. So yeah, I did some more cutting, and then I tried to hammer it out as much as possible. Now the diff clears perfect. Like I said, we're just gonna drill these 2 holes. So from inside the car, we can just, you know, wrench and get the bolts into the diff. So everything is falling together. I just need some fuel clamps for this stuff, for these hoses, get some clamps to drill into the bed of the body of the car. I'm gonna have to remove this stuff because the fuel line is actually gonna run in between here, in between right here. So the fuel line, this needs to move, and then I'm gonna relocate this to going straight into the tank so we can still fill up from the outside. I can show you how we're gonna do that. And then this return line is gonna come across the body here. I'm gonna get some, like I said, some brackets, and then it's gonna come straight into here, get a grommet so I can protect it, and it's gonna go straight into the fuel cell. Other than the fuel cell and the motor getting thrown back in, we do have, like I said, we have the brake calipers for the big brake kit, the poor man's big brake kit. So we're gonna go from these small calipers to the CRV 97 to 2001 brake calipers. So we're gonna upgrade those. We do have braided steel lines somewhere over there. Is that right there? And then we have our coilovers for the front that we need to throw on as well. So the whole front is gonna be brand new, except the brake calipers. Somewhat brand new, because I'm gonna rebuild these as well with new pistons and everything in those. So almost done, man. Literally making perfect progress, like I said, to make it this thing. We still gotta put these on the Lexus as well. Still gotta go throw these on the Lexus. So we're making perfect timing, man. I just stuff coming away today. I'm not gonna be able to do it today because we're supposed to be going to a birthday party today for one of our friends. So almost there, man. Almost there. We'll get it done soon. Also, we do have to install this race pack. I just remembered that race pack has to get installed with this, and then we have a bracket that it's called a shifter box that goes over this to cover this hole perfect and bolts into the original holes. Then you have to make 2 more holes right here for it to get bolted down. We have that on the way, and that's gonna bolt our shifter up, and then we're gonna drill a hole right around here for the cables to come out, and then we're done, honestly. And then we're just waiting on the drive shaft at this point. But other than that, man, like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch y'all in that next video. Stay up, man. Peace.